Introducing Zirlux Transitions. Transitional layered zirconia that mimics nature and lifelike aesthetics without compromising strength. Patented smart incisal technology incorporates a bluish-gray effect on the top third zone of the disc, reduces the white value, and also mimics the natural tooth's bluish-gray translucency. Higher chroma in the cervical area and decreasing chroma towards the incisal area. One premium zirconia for anterior and posterior restorations. 1200 MPa. 48% translucency. Available in all 16 Vita shades and OM2 bleach shade. Full contour anterior and posterior crowns, bridges, inlays, and onlays. Single tooth and bridge frameworks in the anterior and posterior, up to 14 units. Made in the USA. Get started today. Visit www.zondental.com/Zirlux-Transitions for more information.